Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me OPPO Find X5 Lite, and now I can show you how to set up newbie share on this device. Okay, firstly open your notification panel, then enable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and location services. Then find newbie share, click on it. Turn newbie share on. Okay, then find newbie share again, click and hold on it, wait a while. Then you can change your device name, you can change device visibility mode, you can be visible for everyone, for contacts or for contacts only. You can change data usage mode, for example Wi-Fi only mode, and that's it. Now we can share and receive images, files, music files using newbie share. For example, I want to share, I don't know, image from my Android device to OPPO device. So on your Android device, click on share button, then share by newbie share, and you will see this message on your device. Device newbie sharing. Click on this device and click accept. Wait a while. Okay, as you can see, image was successfully sent. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.